talking about the infinite banking strategy for Canadian business owners. So how does it work and why is it effective? This infinite banking strategy or infinite banking concept is an increasingly popular wealth building tool among Canadian business owners that are looking to grow their financial assets inside their corporation or their holding company. The growth in these types of things and just people reaching out to us has skyrocketed, especially since the federal government has been increasing taxes on everything, especially you and me, the greedy business owners who make too much. We're the bad guys, so we need our taxes to go up. And what that does is it pushes more people towards strategies like this. By utilizing a participating whole life insurance policy, the strategy enables the business owner to create a self-sustaining financial system that provides access to guaranteed credit in a couple of ways. So now this is where we at Safe Pacific, we differ or we veer off the pure infinite banking path. So if you follow only like pure infinite banking, like it's written in the book, you should hate banks and only ever access liquidity from your policy through policy loans from the insurance company. And that's okay in the US, where the book was written and the policy loans are always tax-free and where they have way more choices in the types of life insurance companies that they can work with. The rules in Canada are different, so we've made adjustments to the core infinite banking strategy to suit Canadian business owner needs. What we do is we use both policy loans from the insurance company and also third-party loans from banks, who are the bad guys in the original infinite banking book. So loans against your policy cash value can be used for many things, including to fund business growth or buying new equipment or expanding your office space or hiring staff or managing operational costs more effectively or even investing in other things. Unlike traditional financing options, the infinite banking concept offers flexibility and control because of the security of your policy's collateral. So this financial model, it doesn't only empower businesses to achieve growth, but it also ensures long-term wealth accumulation within the company inside in a tax-efficient manner, right? So how does this strategy work for Canadian business owners? So for Canadian business owners, the infinite banking concept is ideal if they have an operating company and a holding company or both, and they're seeking a reliable method to build wealth while also keeping their liquidity. So the strategy leverages a specific type of whole life insurance policy where the cash value grows over time. So it allows the business owners to tap into this growing capital without tax penalties. And the policy serves a dual purpose. So one, it's accumulating wealth and creating a tax-free credit source. But two, also because it's life insurance, you have life insurance, you probably need it, right? So you need the protection for your family, maybe you've got debts, or for your business, right? So generally, successful business owners with families, with real estate, they need insurance. This is a way to check the insurance box while also checking a bunch of other boxes. So here's how it works for Canadian business owners. So you can build wealth inside your corporation by storing the excess savings inside a participating whole life insurance policy. So the business owner can accumulate wealth inside the corporation in a tax-efficient way. Another huge advantage is you can have tax-free credit. So the policy allows business owners to access funds through mostly tax-free loans using the policy's cash value as collateral. You, as the business owner, can also use the policy cash value to secure loans or lines of credit from a traditional bank, like a third party, usually at very favorable rates and terms, which makes this a flexible and convenient option for business owners for your business growth or for investment growth. These types of policies can also fund your business growth, right? The capital that's accessed through this strategy can be used to finance, key business initiatives, right? Buying a new office space, buying equipment, buying inventory, expanding your operations. This gives you more control over how and when to deploy resources. It also gives you a lot of versatility for other business needs. So beyond funding growth, the strategy is also versatile, can be used to cover other business needs. So like you're funding a buy and sell agreement, or you're acting as key person insurance, which usually is something that's actually stipulated inside your shareholders agreement. You need some sort of insurance policy if something happens so that you can fund the buy sell, or so that you can fund, it used to be called key man insurance, now they call it key person insurance. So this combination of wealth building and the easy access to capital makes the infinite banking concept a valuable strategy, a valuable tool for business growth and for financial protection. And why do Canadian business owners choose the infinite banking strategy? Well, increasingly, they're turning to this concept due to the numerous benefits. And some of the key reasons that it's becoming so popular is, well, A, like I said before, the federal government is just increasing taxes on everything. So there's not a lot of tax-efficient, tax-free things. This is one of the last things you can do that's tax exempt. Also for business protection. One of the primary reasons that business owners adopt this strategy is for the life insurance that protects their business in case of unforeseen events, right? That could impact them or their family or their business directly. And then the policy provides a death benefit that can be used to ensure the continuity of the business, which is like a major component of the company's risk management plan. This concept also provides tax-efficient wealth growth. So as your business owner builds wealth inside the corporation, you can do it in a tax-advantaged way. So the whole life policy has a cash value. This grows tax-deferred, which allows for a long-term wealth accumulation while also minimizing your tax that you pay over time. It also gives you access to capital. So the infinite banking concept provides security for other loans from either the insurance company directly or from a third-party lender like a bank. So this allows the business owner to access the capital on very favorable terms. It's also a very quick and convenient way to fund things like business expansion, to buy assets, or to address emergencies or unexpected expenses. The infinite banking concept also provides stable and long-term growth. Unlike investing in the stock market, which can be volatile and unpredictable, a participating whole life insurance policy offers steady long-term growth. And so this makes it really appealing for business owners who want stable long-term financial growth without being exposed to, the volatility of market fluctuation. You do want expert financial advice. So many business owners would be advised by their accountants or by a financial planner or advisor to take on this strategy due to these benefits that we just talked about. So you want to work with a knowledgeable advisor that does this all the time, that can make sure to tailor this strategy to your situation. The concept is the same for everyone, but you implement it differently for everyone because everybody's situation is different. Your business is different, your family's different, your goals are different, your life stage is different. You need to work with somebody who understands this and who can set this up for you correctly today, but also be there as a guide and a coach for you over time as you use the policy for different reasons, right? So for Canadian business owners who want to protect their business, who want to grow their wealth tax efficiently, who want to maintain liquidity, the infinite banking strategy offers this kind of all-in-one solution that addresses a wide range of financial goals. And like I just said, right, you want to work with an expert financial advisor. This requires the guidance of an experienced financial advisor who understands the complexities and the benefits. Working with an expert ensures that the strategy is optimized for your business's specific financial needs and for your long-term goals, but also your family's financial needs and their long-term goals. This is what we specialize in, right? We have specialized in helping Canadian business owners in BC, in Alberta, and Ontario to implement this infinite banking concept to maximize wealth and enhance financial stability for hundreds of people, of families, of business owners across the country. So our team of advisors has the expertise, the knowledge to guide you through this every step of the way. So not just from setting it up in the first place, but also as you use it throughout your life. And to really understand, like, how does it work? What can you do with it? What are the benefits? How does it work in year 1? How does it work in year 5? How does it work in year 10? And how does it work as your life goals, as you accomplish some life goals and milestones, and then you make new ones? How does this thing grow with you and change with you? Now, if all of this sounds great and it's something that you want to learn more about, contact us for more information. If you're a Canadian business owner, you're incorporated, you have an operating company, a holding company, and you want to see if this is a good idea for you, and you want to know how does it work, what do numbers look like, please reach out. Go to our website, it's safepacific.com. You can fill out the form there to contact us. All of those emails come to me. Somebody will reply to you within 24 hours and we'll set up a meeting time to really get to understand your situation and take next steps potentially. You know, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. The main benefits here is that this can help to build lasting wealth inside the corporation in a tax efficient and flexible and stable manner that'll help to achieve your goals now and in the future and in the future, because it'll help you to grow your money today in a tax efficient way. It'll help you use your money in a tax efficient way, and then eventually pass it on to your kids or to your beneficiaries in a tax-free way. So that's it for me today. Before you go, do all those things the algorithm likes. Click like, add a comment if you got a question, hit subscribe as well so you get notified when we put our next video online. That's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time.